Hi guys, it's casting challenge time again. This time we're celebrating the March Madness men's basketball tournament. I asked my subscribers for help in choosing a team to base my challenge build around, and the University of Kentucky Wildcats seemed a popular choice. Now I loved this mascot, but I knew it was going to be a challenging build. So I borrowed an image from Google, converted this to black and white, and then I turned to Fusion 360. Here I redrew the mascot in order to make a 3D print file. Now this took several hours and I did have to simplify things here and there. The resulting 3D print looked great, but it was going to be a tall order to cast something this involved. So I doubled my chances of success by printing two. I printed up a sprue and a base, and this included a tapered sprue and a pouring basin. I then attached everything with positioning wax, and I got a bit carried away with the additional support sprues. With most of the plaster washed away, it's obvious these casts weren't perfect. Strangely, they both had flaws in the same place. That's certainly something to puzzle on. So there you go guys, a pair of bronze Wildcats. I'll be sharing the 3D print files for these on Thingiverse if you fancy printing your own. So that's it for now guys, take care and thanks for watching.